The next topic we're going to be looking at deals with exponents. Alright, so if we look at all these examples here, we're going to simplify these. If you look at part A, 3 squared times 3 to the fourth, I'm going to write an expanded form. That means we have 3 times 3, and then also 3 times itself 4 times. When you do that, look at how many 3's we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of them. So this would be 3 to the 6th. If we look at the next one, we've got 5 being multiplied, and then we got 5 squared, and then we got 5 multiplied by itself 4 times. If we look at how many 5's we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So this is 5 to the 7th. Looking at the next one, you can do the same thing even if the base is a -4. So we've got -4 times -4, and we also have -4 times -4. Count how many -4's we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be -4 to the 4th. Look at this last one. I'm just going to bring it down here a little bit. So we have m times m times m, and then times m. So I took all this down here. Count how many m's we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is m to the 4th. Okay, so looking at these examples here, inside the parentheses we have 7 to the 3rd. So inside the parentheses I'm going to rewrite this as 7 times 7 times 7. Well, all of that's squared. So that means everything in parentheses we have twice. So that means we got to do 7 times 7 times 7, and then 7 times 7 times 7. Look how many 7's we have. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be 7 to the 6th. Looking at the next one, it's a -9 squared. So if we rewrite that, we've got -9 times -9 inside the parentheses, but that's raised to the 4th power. So everything in there we've got 4 times. So we got -9 times -9. We got to do this 4 times. And then look at how many -9's we have. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. So this is -9 to the 8th. Alright, looking at the last one here for 2, part C, p squared inside the parentheses, that means we've got p times p. But we still have to square that, so we have to take that twice. So p times p, and then p times p. Look how many p's we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is p to the 4th. Alright, so here we have 3m inside the parentheses for this part A, but raised to the 3rd power. So that means that we've got 3m times 3m times 3m. Well, we can put all the numbers together and all the variables together, so it's like saying 3 times 3 times 3, and then m times m times m. When you put these together, you get 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, and then m to the 3rd. This here, we got 6xy inside the parentheses, and we got it squared, so we got to do 6xy times 6xy. If we group this so all the like things are together, we have 6 times 6, x times x, and then y times y. So when you put this together, 6 times 6 is 36, x times x is x squared, and y times y is y squared. So there's a simplified version. Alright, so looking at this one, we're going to combine some of these thoughts here. So inside parentheses here, we got 2x to the 3rd. I'm going to rewrite this as 2 times x times x times x squared times x to the 4th. Then here in parentheses, we've got this twice. So we're going to have 2 times x times x times x. But we're going to have that twice. And then x times x to the fourth. So I'm just going to recopy the first part. X to the fourth is the same thing as x times x times x times x. And if we rearrange this, so the things that are, or we just multiply the things together that are like, we've got a 2 here and a 2 here. So if you multiply those together, we get 4. And if you look at all the x's, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. So this would be 4x to the 10th.